Jezus! Motorówka z radzownikami już płynie. No ale przód, wielki pilot.
By these two civilian jets flying to the music of Top Gun. You're listening into the voice of the leader of the team. These are two really smoke on, go. Very pleasant guys. The smoke that you see there is very, very expensive smoke oil that is pumped across the exhaust system of the aircraft. So let me tell you a little bit about the L-39 aircraft. See, there's no stand, so the L-39C from country of origin is Czechoslovakia. It's a two-seat advanced trainer and light strike aircraft. And rolling right, go. Right, folks, please remain calm and
del Ministerio del Aire que quería un avión de transición de la hélice al reactor. Ya en ese momento estaban ya empezando a llegar los primeros reactores F-86 Sabre, North American, ya de caza bombardeo.
¡Hostia! Sabía, tío. Tenía un presentimiento.
Yo he visto que no subía.
Pobrecillos, mataron.
Next brigade boss calling aircraft.
Psych. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Brigade. Aircraft started. Rex Brigade. Aircraft started.
Invention. The thing that actually put light plane called an A40 had a single ignition on it, and that actually made the light plane start and go through to be very successful.
All right, here he comes back down from left to right. More airspeed. Back up to the vertical. Nice half full. Oh, look at that. What do they call it there? The Lumshula. Totally out of control.
Oh no.
Okay, everyone, we do have
That's not good.
ladies and gentlemen, we do have emergency personnel who are prepared for this.
He stalled.
We have planned for this sort of an event. And we ask that you all remain where you are to let any emergency personnel by.
Make the whole thing on video.
Hanging upside down on a barbell or something, the strength to get right back up again from the hang down position where your knees are locked. Takes a lot of stomach. Okay, add to that a forward speed of 110 miles an hour. You're facing that wind. And then you have to fight the wind, and then you have to get yourself back upright. Now, you think that Jane is going to disappear from us. Now, she's still on that far side. Keep an eye on Jane. Keep an eye on Charlie. Watch this. Jane Wicker sitting on top of the world. Oh, no.
Martin, get up.